Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 13th of June, 2018. Hope you had a good trading day on Tuesday. Wasn't much of a day, though, so I don't think that was probably likely. It wasn't very exciting. This has been a slow couple of days here. We're in summer. I got another month or so to go. That plus we've got a lot of stuff going on here. We've got the two-day Fed meeting. We've got triple expiration this week. We've got the summit in North Korea. That doesn't seem to be super eventful, but you never know until you get through it. Here's the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form, which is the proper way to view the market. And basically a little blip for the trading on Tuesday. So we'll go through the major indices here. Crude oil down 37 cents, been flat for a week. Gold down 6 cents, been flat for 3 weeks. S&P cash index up 4.85, approaching the 2,800 level, which is the high of the last 3 months since the dip back in February. NASDAQ 100 up 40.70. SOX up 7.38. That's a cup and handle potentially forming there. Biotech's up 29.43. The VIX literally down a penny to 1234. Doesn't really matter. The trend closes at 0.87. That puts the 10-day moving average back down to 1.01 as the bigger numbers drop off. It's happening pretty quick, by the way. Here's another one that'll drop off tomorrow. That'll push that down. Remember, when that moving average gets under 0.85, that's where things get interesting. That's a sell signal on the broad market. NASDAQ volume was 2 billion, which is better than Friday and Monday, but not better than the last 2 weeks. Besides that, advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 244, on the New York plus 14. Google gains $7.29. Apple gains 1.05. Netflix up $2.38. Amazon up $9.63. Tesla up 10.67 after gapping up. TLT up 3 cents. That's not a big deal. That's the 20-year bond ETF, and Goldman Sachs down 1.46. Let's look at the 5-minute charts. Look at this. Look how flat this has been Monday and Tuesday. I mean, this is ridiculous on the ES. Basically a 10-point range for 2 days. And we did not quite. We came within a tick of filling the gap. Monday we gapped up and never filled. Tuesday we gapped up and filled. We came with a tick on Tuesday of filling the gap up from Monday, but we didn't quite do it. The NASDAQ side, a little more positive, a little more there. But, I mean, again, it's just the big couple of stocks in the market are making that move. Everything else is just so flat as everybody's focused on the Fed. So what do we have on Wednesday? We've got the PPI an hour before the bell. We've got the core crude oil inventory is an hour into the market. That's the weekly number. And then the Fed announcement at 2 p.m., the press conference 30 minutes later. We'll be looking for a three-way phenomenon after that, see if we get that type of movement out of the market, anything after that. And then at some point, maybe triple expiration kicks in and we get the options unraveling move that we need to see here at some point in time. I don't know. Maybe we'll get it. Maybe we won't. But that's about it. It's uneventful. Friday is going to be a bust for sure, but we will still do a market preview tomorrow night for the rest of the week. But Friday with triple expiration should not be that interesting. And we will see if we get anything else between here and there. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.